Hey there, fellow gamers and tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling something super convenient: how to use Apple Pay on Steam in 2025. With Apple's seamless payment system now more integrated than ever, you can say goodbye to fumbling with credit cards during your gaming sessions. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your setup is ready for 2025's updates. You'll need an iPhone, iPad, or Mac running the latest iOS or macOS. Think iOS 19 or later, to ensure Apple Pay works smoothly. If you're on an older device, it's time for an upgrade to avoid any compatibility hiccups. Step 1. Set up Apple Pay on your device. Open the Wallet app, add your debit or credit card by scanning it or entering the details manually, and verify it through your bank's app. This is quick and secure, using Face ID or Touch ID for protection. Once that's done, you're good to go. Now, head over to Steam. Log into your Steam account on your device and navigate to the Account Details section. Look for the Payment Methods tab. By 2025, Apple Pay should be prominently featured as an option. Select it, and follow the prompts to link your Apple Wallet. Steam might ask for additional verification, like a one-time code sent to your phone, to keep things safe. Time for the fun part: making a purchase. Add games or items to your cart on Steam, and at checkout, choose Apple Pay as your payment method. You'll get a confirmation on your device. Double-click the side button on your iPhone, authenticate with Face ID, and voila, your transaction is complete in seconds. It's fast, contactless, and perfect for those impulse buys during a sale. One quick tip: always check for any regional restrictions, as Apple Pay on Steam might vary by country. Also, keep an eye on your Apple Pay transaction history to monitor your spending. There you have it. Using Apple Pay on Steam in 2025 is a game changer for secure, effortless payments. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech guides. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.